Hover over the green plus between any section in your page. Underneath the Publish button, you can see the name of that section. The navigation area will be at the top of every page, and it's usually where the menu is. Let's add an element to the body by clicking plus. You can add a pre-made layout or create a new one yourself. To create a new layout, select Section from the menu on the left. To confirm your selection, press the green button. We recommend using a section adapted to the grid. This helps in website responsiveness. From the main menu, which is on the left, select Columns, and here you'll find different column layouts. Choose the first option and bring it to the previously created section. Drop your columns there in the new section. You can complete them with any elements selected from the main menu on the left side.